Let me taste this, guys. So good. So good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you some roast pork along with some rice and peas and some fried ripe plantain and vegetable. Okay, right guys, so I have seasoned the pork before and it was seasoned and placed in the fridge for overnight. So the pot is on fire. So just adding some oil. Some oil, and I'm just removing the seasoning from the meat before placing it in the frying pan. Alright, so this is the size meat, the round cut of pork. Just removing all the seasoning, and then I'm going to add it to the pot. So I'm going to cover this and let it brown. Alright. So guys, after the first side is brown, you flip it on the next side to get brown also. Mix this in, guys. Just pop it down. Cooking some rice and peas with my. So guys, I've seasoned up the peas and now adding the rice, which was previously washed. And then I'm gonna allow it to simmer and cook slowly. Alright, there's also a video on my channel with step-by-step instruction on how to cook rice and peas, so go ahead and check it out, guys. So guys, in order to make the meat tender, what I've done is use hot water to gradually cook it so that it gets tender quickly. Alright, so this is what I'm doing now, and put it back for it to continue to slow cook. Alright. Roasted nicely also. Still a way to go to get it tender or seasoned. Still some way to go, so we're gonna add some more garlic. cover again. Allow it to cook. Rice and peas is now ready. Look at it, guys. Oh, so yummy. Meanwhile, the pork continue to be tenderized. Alright, before I season it. Okay. This looks good, guys, but I'm just going to give it another some more minutes to cook. Then I add the seasoning. So just a little more warm water, and then after that it's time to season up our pork. This is ready now, guys, so I'm gonna add my seasoning. Ready to cook with it. So guys, I'm gonna cover this and allow it to simmer with the seasoning, and then that's it. Smells so good, guys. Look at it. Delicious. So let me taste it. This one is it, guys. So tasty, so delicious. This looks so sumptuous and delicious and everything that's good. All those adjectives. Yes, this is what this is about. There you have it, guys, all done. My roast pork is now ready to be eaten. Take a good look. Yummy, 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 yummy. All done, guys. And I will be adding it with my rice and peas over here. Rice and peas over here. Yes, yes. And I'm gonna do my plantains shortly. And I have my vegetable in the fridge. Alright, so rice and peas and roast pork. Alright, guys. Yummy, 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 yummy. It's all ready. Ready, guys, ready, all ready. Rice and peas, fried plantain, roast pork. Ready, Sunday pickle ready. And there you have it, guys. Roast pork with rice and peas and fried plantain and some vegetable, tomato and cucumber. All right, So guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice dinner. Alright guys, so until next time, bye.